Hello YouTube! Today we will be fixing a coffee machine of this Nespresso kind. And the problem is that when you put water in, it will slowly start to leak out from somewhere here. At first I thought that the problem is with this gasket here, but this one is actually fine. It doesn't leak from here, even though it looks like it's leaking from somewhere here. So what we need to do is to disassemble it. For that it has these screws on the bottom here. So this is a Torx 15. It has 4 clips here and it comes off like this. Yeah, you can once you undo the screws, you can pull it up a bit, and then you have to pry it a bit open from both sides, and then you can lift this part off. We need to remove this panel here, which has a clip here and of course on the other side as well. And it has clips here. So the side is open, something in between so it can close up again. And then from the other side the same thing. Oh, and up here as well is one clip. So it's up here on the sides and on the bottoms. So it's five clips to open it up. And then you can get it. You definitely have to remove this as well in order to get to this, and in order to get to this you have to remove this. Right, but the hard part is done. Now in case of my machine, what leaked was this water meter down here. You can see this white plastic thing. To get it out, there is like a clip that you can push up. It will pop out and then you can pull this thing out. It has these rubber hoses, and I'm pretty sure this is what happens to all of them. These hoses didn't leak, the hoses are fine. It was leaking from this edge of this water meter here. So what I did was I disconnected the hoses, I opened it up, cleaned it, dried it, and then sealed it up with epoxy and then closed it up again. It has like tiny plastic clips, and it's like you have to undo the clips and counterclockwise twist it, then you can open up this entire mechanism. For working, you can also disconnect this wire from here. It's a plug that opens up if you need more space to work. Of course it can be some other place that leaks, but this one seemed very obvious design flaw. And when you're epoxying, be sure that you don't put too much epoxy, because in here is this propeller that measures how much water the machine has pumped. Don't mess that up. Yeah, then it's just assembly, and the machine has been working for months now. So I just needed to glue this, and this is where the water was leaking from.